been telling Ugandans that we should be serious about the death of our brother. And many people were ignoring us. When I was talking on the floor of Parliament, I told them, you have to be serious about the death of our brother. You have to be factual. Right now, you have seen what is going on. That our brother is not happy. Our brother is not happy at all. Immediately when the family members complete their speaking, you have seen what happened. And I'm telling you, many things are going to happen. We need government to be serious. I told them on the floor of Parliament, immediately when General Lopez died, there were information saying the next person is going to be Oulanyah. And sincerely, he died. So we should not bury our head in the sand. Something wrong is going to take place, and many things are yet to happen. Government should be serious and explain. Government should be serious and make sure they console the spirit of the dead. If not, this is still the sign. Many things will still happen. We pray for his soul to rest in peace. And our brother Oulanyah, if truly you are killed, let your spirit do the needful.
In the Luo tradition, whenever an honest person, a man of integrity, something is of this kind is taking place, of course it signifies something great, something which is so great. So, the Luo community have a unique, yes, okay. The Luo community has a unique, every different tribes in Uganda, every tribes in Africa, their spirit. But we thank God because God is overall. God is overall and God makes things work. Of course, what we have seen the happening now, where the wind came from nowhere. The wind came and blew. It came straight to where Jacob, the body of Jacob Oulanyah has been laid to. The wind came with its own strength and moved majestically. This is a sign that a great person, a hero, today is a hero. Jacob is a hero. And in Luo we say, even though.
My name is Francis Joel Emona. I grew up with Jacob together. We lived together. I knew him for the last 54 years. So nobody else knows Jacob more than me and Museveni. He is a father, is a mentor, a friend, a relative, and mention it all. I want to thank very much His Excellency, the President of Uganda, General Museveni, for the handsome support he gave to my brother when he was alive. He did whatever it takes to save his life. I am grateful, and we are grateful as a family. To the Speaker of Parliament now, we cannot do without your help. You helped us, you supported us, we are greatly honored. Everybody who took care of Jacob, you can't say someone is more important than the other. You cannot talk and forget Honorable Minister of Health, Jane Ruth Acheng. She's an amazing minister. We very much appreciate.
Not even his children. Jacob was a unique person.
Jacob no darama part.
But he's gone.
Ento don
But Jesus wept.
Ento Yesu
People say painful moment.
Yeah, we were pick up all. The people are here,
Beloved, maybe somebody expected would